Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming with you guys with a T-part wig hair install. Baby girl, this unit was giving. Thank you so much, Isee Hair, for collaborating with me on this video. I am absolutely in love with this unit, and y'all are gonna see how this baby is. So let's really get into the details. Alright y'all, so we do have a T-part wig. Like I said in the beginning, they do give us some wig caps, period, so we don't gotta go to the hair store. Now the luster and movement and softness of this unit is absolutely beautiful. Like, look at how it's moving and look at the shine. Like, come on now. Come on now. I did not bleach this unit because I want this to be very beginner friendly. So as we see, it makes a T, hence the name T-part wig. Now I don't recommend you really installing your hair how I did it and put the glue on your edges, because I pushed my hairline back a little bit. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But I will leave a link for my original video in the description box so you guys could see how to properly install your hair. And now I'm just cutting the lace off because y'all know I like a little less lace. I don't like all that lace. It don't be working for me. But you guys are going to see the transformation. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye. Now a side note, the wig is 150 density. It is very teeter-tottering on. That is on the little thinner side. But as y'all finna see, it's moving. It's moving, period.
Yo, bitch, so they calling you Bob. Stop playing, you nothing on for the Bob. Yeah, this is my little stitch wig. You know the motherfucking vibes.
About this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade blood burning. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing. What I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high up your love, I don't know how to tell me your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar. Brown sugar. Sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to solo. Who my niggas don't want. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all here. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar, babe. I want some of your brown sugar. Show me your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Show me some of your we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade bloodburst. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar. Some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. How the story goes, brown sugar got me open. Now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous swallow, but I think I'm here to solo. Who my niggas don't follow. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I think y'all here. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar, babe. I want some of your brown sugar.